What's up guys, David from Motor-Speed here. We have another beautiful bike for you today. This is a 2023 KTM 390 Adventure. Great for the road, great for some fire roads. Not a full-on dirt bike, but very light and nimble, planted, 380 pounds wet. Ton of tech on this bike. For a 390, they put a lot of tech. It's got a slipper clutch, it has cornering ABS, traction control, lots of different tech on here. Comes equipped with the hand guards, WP suspension, inverted forks, Apex suspension here on the front. Everything is in fantastic shape. We got the skid plate on there. Even has these nice Adichie bags. Beautiful. TFT display. Look at these taillights. The details are so neat. They did a great job with this model. Really put a lot of care into it. And I love this paint. It's like a matte orange. Feels kind of plasticky. Beautiful materials here. 2,750 miles. Has a ton of tech. Like I mentioned here. Go back. And it'll show you ride mode, motorcycle, ABS, MTC, road, off-road, ride mode. It's got different ride modes, street and off-road, trips and data, different trips here, general info, battery voltage, date, trip 1, all the info here, trip 2, warning. Let's see what the warning is here. Service, kill switch, KTM My Ride. I don't think it has the KTM My Ride actually. So yeah, there you have it. Settings, quick selector, Bluetooth, display theme, shift light. Let's see what shift light is. Oh, RPM 1, RPM 2. So you can determine when you want it to shift. This is pretty interesting. Display theme, night, automatic. So it's black. Let's go to automatic. Let's see what that does. It looks the same. I'm gonna go back to night. Bluetooth, connect Bluetooth. Quick selector. So you can decide what quick selector. So overall, lots of different features on here. Super nice bike. There you have it. Let's fire her up. Almost forgot. How could I forget? There you not have it. Fires right up. Beautiful profile shot here. Very aggressive styling, and these new KTMs, they just, with the headlight and everything, they design it so well. I don't know. I love them. We had a 790 2019 that we sold very quickly, and then also had 890R. We still have one. We actually bought two, so we sold one right away before we even went up for sale. And this one, in case you didn't notice, it's like I Spy. If someone asks you what's wrong with this motorcycle, or what's not wrong, but what's different. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, but we got 1 mirror, 2 mirror, 3 mirror. So yeah, you got 3 mirrors for extra visibility. All it's missing is the 4th mirror here. And then maybe 2 more mirrors in the back. And then maybe a little camera here. So you can hook up to here where this display would go. See what it says, remove the mount. We install the mount and then have extra cameras and the mirrors so we can be so safe on the road. Got a nice little rumble to her, all stock. So now, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Come by our shop, check out the website, check out the Instagram, check out the YouTube. Check us out. We got some cool things going on. I do all the photography myself. I do photography, make music, and I'm the owner, David Alecu. You can check out my website, davidalecu.com, ALECU. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. All of the above are valid. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Peace.